How are you doing?
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to make your iPhone speak words while typing. If you want your iPhone to speak the words as you type, enabling the Speak Autotext feature is a great way to achieve this functionality. This function helps improve your typing experience, especially for those who benefit from audio feedback or are learning to type. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility option. In the Accessibility menu, find and tap on Spoken Content option. This section lets you adjust various text-to-speech settings. And then you have to select the Typing Feedback option to proceed. And under the typing feedback section, you have to turn on the toggle next to Speak Autotext. This will make your iPhone speak suggestions and auto corrections as you type, providing real-time feedback. And then you have to turn on the toggle for Speak Words as well. It will let you make your iPhone speak whole words while typing. And if you want to adjust the speed at which the iPhone speaks the text, you can also slide the speaking rate slider to your preferred pace. And once you have fine-tuned everything to your heart's liking, you can open any text input field, such as messages or notes, and start typing. And as you type, your iPhone will now speak the text or suggestions that come up. This feature is particularly helpful for individuals who want to ensure their messages are accurate, as it offers vocal feedback on what's being typed and corrects spelling or word choices on the fly. And there you have it. Enabling the Speak Auto Text feature on your iPhone is an easy way to get vocal feedback while typing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.